what is said here, very beautiful point is there. Now what is said? Anyat Shreya, Anyat Utaiva Preya. Now with the brief introduction, I will enter into the mantra. Shreya is different and prayers is different. Well, what is meaning of difference? Difference is, if you sit on this train of Shreyas, that means you will start working around Atma, about knowledge of the self. Which Purusharth? Moksha Purusharth, for which you are sitting here. If you sit on other train, not that it won't take you anywhere, it will take you to new situations. And this Shreyas train will take you to the ultimate station called Atmagyan, knowledge of the self. This is Param Purushartha. Anyat. Anyat means what? Bhashyakar says Bhinna. Anyat Shreya. ठीक है, दोनों में there is Anyat. Both are different. Different means both will take to other places. Little conviction, difference in conviction will take you to different situation, different mindset also. Okay. अब क्या लिखते हैं? So Anyat Shreya, Anyat Utaiva Preya. This word is prayas. Don't try. If when you read many times, I divide it. You must be thinking written is something, Swamiji is chanting something. Here's another book or what? So it is written Anyat Shreyo, Anyat Utaiva Preya. I will pronounce it. Half sa you see there? Half sa. Huh? When you break, there is a Sandhi rule of conjugation. Half sa is equal to Visarga here. Visarga means double dot. So how will I read? Anyat Shreyo, Anyat Utaiva Preya. I will say like that. And supposing you don't know, because I'm breaking it. I'm breaking it into 4 parts now. But if you are reading it straight in one line, then you need not break. Then you can say Anyat Shreyo and Utaiva Preyaste Nana Obharte Nana Arthe Purushagam Sinita. Simple things are there. But keep on understanding, imbibing new things every day. And never think it is very difficult, I can't do it. It is difficult, but I'll make it easy. Make it easy. Give me some time. I need some time. I never think you are not bright. Never think all this. Don't be negative about yourself. I'm not bright. Put lamp on yourself if you feel like that. So. When they see, take the photograph in the studio, they put quite a heavy light on you. Like this light is there. I can't put on sweater. To take out my sweater. Such a heavy light is there. Anyway, now what is said here? Anyat, both are different. Different means what? Their means are different, their attitude is different, their goal is different. Same person, different. Like one woman is there. Husband is living with the woman, mother is living with the woman, and child is living with the woman. All have different way of seeing the same woman. And maid is there, she will see her differently. So both are their convictions very fabric is different. Very good. Then what is their work? Te ubhe nanarthe purushagam sinitah. So te ubhe. Te ubhe here means what? So te pronoun has not been taught, no? Pronoun is not there. So te ubhe, both of these, te is for two. Tatte tani, sate taha, you will hear it. When you will hear pronouns, then you will hear all these things. I think your pronoun is being done. No? Abhijit is taking pronoun. So sate taha. So te. dual, dvivachan. Okay. Slowly, when you go ahead, slowly you will catch grammar also. Grammar is peeping from it. And don't try to hush the process. Where we are weak, we try to run away from that. No, face it. Yaar, kya hai? You'll see it. Stay ubhe. Ubhe means both. Well, with both. Which both? Huh? Bole Vaja Shravan Nachiketa. That topic is not there. When both is said, what is topic pronoun is before the noun already has come Shreyas and Prayas. So when you are talking about pronoun, always see what was the noun earlier. Don't ask such question. Where did he go? You first you tell the noun, then pronoun. So noun should be after the before the pronoun. So te Shreyas and Prayas. Okay. Te ubhe nanarthe. Nanarthe means bhinna prayojane sati. Both being different purposes. Both have different purposes. I already explained. Purushagam means ordinary person. Shankaracharya Bhagwan write, Varna ashramadi visishtam purusham adhikritam. The one who is doing the action. He is a religious person. One is doing Satnarayan Katha because son is not getting married. Other is going Satnarayan Katha because he wants more satsang. Third is doing Satnarayan Katha because he is not able to meditate. Fourth is doing Satnarayan Katha so that everybody can be peaceful. Because this is what different mind is there. Same action is same externally. You don't know what he thinks about that. It will be same, but fruit will be different now. Now what is said here is beautiful point. Both of these things bind a person. Hey? What? Why? When? What? Te ubhe nanarthe purushagam, that purpose, sinitah, badnitah. Sanskrit student, C dhatu is there, 9p. Lat pratham purush. Dvivachan. So, both of them bind. Slowly you will root conjugation. You will hear some word called conjugations. Ganas. Lat lakar, lot lakar, lang lakar, vidhiling. Oh, slowly, step by step. We'll put one brick at a time, then another brick. Only thing, be consistent in learning Sanskrit. And be consistent in hearing. I'm not hurrying. Both tie, both bind a person. How come both bind a person? I'll tell you both how. How? Then it is said, Tayoho Shreya Preyasayoho Shreya Adadanasya. One who takes the Shreyas. Takes means? Huh? Chooses. He had the option. But he has chosen the Shreyas. Then what happens? Abhyuday Prayas Abhyuday Amritvarthi Purusha Pravartate. Well, 1 minute. How come both bind? Please tell me. How come both bind? How can both bind? Yes. Because when a person is on the path of prayers, then he needs lot of things also. But he needs house, he needs money, he needs fame, he needs wife, he needs children, he needs grandchildren. So he is bound by many factors. I don't have my house. I am living on a rental house. Sure. So I am now I'm trying to purchase some house so that I should not pay the rental. So he will work, he have to work for that. He's running around for that rental house. Acha, wife is there to have to support. She doesn't work. Oh, she doesn't work. She doesn't go to the office. No. Acha, therefore you have to support the wife. Neither she works in the home also, by the way. So I have to support the wife. Therefore, I have to work. I have two children. Both are going to the school. School fees is also there. Acha, acha. So you have to work. I have to maintain prayers now. He has to work a lot, bichara. Car loan is also there. I'm in the bond. Every month I have to pay 7,000 rand for the car. Although car was not very good, but I have to pay for the car. How long? 20 years. 20 years, yes. 20-year loan I took so that I can pay comfortably. You are sure you will live? I hope so. If you don't live, who will pay? Who pays? Wife? Insurance pays. अच्छा चलो भाई. चलो भाई. Car took to the infinite drive. so, so this it is tying you to certain things. You are made to do certain things. क्या करें हमें जाना ही पड़ेगा. I have to go. The child has to. Today teachers parent meeting is there. Again listening his complaint. But now he went. The teacher says, your child is very naughty. He tears the whole book and throws the paper and makes a boat out of that paper. Boat? Out of the paper of the text. He tears it and the boat. He makes boat. And he then throws on the boat on each children. This is what your child is doing. This is maths teacher has said. Then you go to English teacher. English said, what is this English is there? Where R is there, he said, how is you, madam? Instead of how are you, madam, he used to say. He said, how is you? So many times I said is and are, both are different. Try to concentrate on him. Your child is below average. Then you go to science teacher. Then the science teacher says, this child is there. Simple things I could not tell. What is sodium? What is potassium? I told him. He is not understanding that. I told him that NaCl is salt. Next day he brought salt only. I mean, such kind of child. And mother, father came back home. So upset. I don't know whether you know all these things or not. See, I have no experience. But I can tell all these things happen. Both are very upset. But let him come today. Today we will clear everything. Let him come in the house. He came, as he entered, Purna Kumbh he got. You take salt to the teacher. You make kite and you make boat. So some boys are very, very naughty. Those who are teachers, they will know that. Very difficult to teach. Again you have to take him. So one whose prayers he's tied down, only problem is when he's tied to that, he has to pay a lot of attention to the things which he is tied, and the joy is very less or not there. He feels I'm going everywhere, not reaching anywhere. So much hard work I'm doing, but the joy is not there. So much of work, so much money I invested on my child, but there is no joy has come out from child. There is nothing called joy getting from my child. There is nothing. As much I gave, I did not get that much. But he's tied. He's obligated. You can't run away from marriage in between now. You can't run away from children now. You cannot run away from house now. He is tied. He has got the joy of house. I'm not saying he didn't get the joy of house. But he has to pay a lot to be there. He has got married. He had some joy in in his marriage. I'm not saying he's no joy, but amount that he invests, the time, amount, energy, time, attention that he gives, he is not getting that output. He, on the other hand, may get sorrow also. Achha. Sinita means tied down. Achha, what about Shreyas person? He is also tied down. With what? With jap, with puja, with satsang, with Guru Maharaj, with ashram. Oh, he's also tied. Of course. With what is it called? Sadhana, with meditation. But big difference is between both. What is the difference? What you give, you get much bigger than that what you had invested. The time that you invested with your teacher or with your sadhana, with your meditation, the outputs were marvelous. And ultimately, that output which you got, slowly, that thing makes you ultimately free from that also. Didn't understand. Didn't understand. Didn't understand. No. If you do lot of jap, that jap will make you free from doing jap. That means I don't have to do jap. Yes. It will become so easy for you. You will do meditation, and ultimately you will reach to that state where you need not do meditation. Doing meditation is not a necessity for you. Similarly, living with the Guru, he will take you to a point where you need not live with the Guru, still you can be fine. Guru is not mandatory after that time. He will take you that position where he will withdraw and he will say, now I'm going. Why? Because that thing which I wanted in you, it has come now. I'm not required. So what shall I do? You see me inside now. So outside is going now. So see the difference between the two kind of bondages. He may live also. Don't wait when my Guru will go away. Don't wait like that. He may live also, but he may not live also. No Guru will be there for you forever. But that Guru takes you to a stage where you feel, he will make you feel, okay, even my physical presence is not required now for you. I'm trying to make you free from myself also. But that is very later stage. Don't be happy that stage is in mind. It's not like that. So both bondages have different nature. Clear, no? Not clear. Very clear, very clear. So here it is said here, one who chooses, addanasya means one who chooses. Sadhu bhavati becomes very noble and auspicious. Sadhu means his vasanas goes away. He becomes emotionally free. He becomes quiet by nature. He is not complaining kind of person. He did not do like that. I asked him. I don't love him at all. I just hate him. I curse him every day and night. Achha, every day I curse that person. What you curse? I feel he should die only. But he is putting on more weight. I feel he is living better now after your curse. Some curse is converted into blessing or what? That is what I don't like about him. I don't know where my curse is going. This has gone with the spiritual life. Why? Because I am not dependent on you. Then what is people are for? People around me, they are meant for serving. I will use everybody to get out of my certain weakness. So people are weakness removing center. Very good. People are not for enjoyment and indulgence centers. How much I can extract from you, how much I can enjoy you. I am using the same person in the path of Shreyas to get out of my anger. I will use you to get out of my jealousy. but he is better than you. Therefore, I need to get out of jealousy. I will always appreciate him. I'll tell him that you are very good. You are better than me. Acha? Yes. This person is making you angry. No, with this person only I will use as an exercise that I should not be angry with him. So it is weakness removing center. Very good. I don't want anything from him. Nothing I want. Rather, I'll give everything, whatever is there in my life. This is called sadhu bhavati. I hope you are clear. Very clear. It is not that he is my weakness. Every weakness means you have opened a disturbance center. Like what? What? Tuck shop it is called. Tuck shop. What you get there? Biscuit, etc. you get there. Huh? Biscuit, chips. You get some thing for the car also. Automobile also. You don't get there. So it's ordinary things, I think. Salt. Something of daily use, very commonly used. That's called tuck shop. Similarly, you open a disturbance shop. Disturbance tuck shop. Where? Near office? No. Office was too far. There, in your heart. Heart. Because you have made a very big room in that person. He's very disturbing. He's very bad. He looks like that. He sees like that. One day I'll hold him and throw him. Where? On the road. You have thrown on the road or inside heart you keep on wrestling with him. This is you are not a Shreyas student. You are trying to seek something from the world, sir. So when you are Shreyas student, I think my ahankar is too much. Swamiji, what is the way I can reduce my ahankar? Very good question. Well done. My ahankar. Is there a sadhana I can remove my ahankar? Right? I think that is the source of my problem. I am basically egoistic person. Basically. Root is ego. After that I build up. I can't tolerate anybody too much. By nature I am very irritable. Achha? Yes. If anybody becomes angry on me, I get too angry on that person. This is my nature. Basic nature is like that. Can't tolerate. Nothing I cannot tolerate. Oh, criticism. Oh my God. I can't take it. It is like on the hot tawa you are sprinkling water. I just burn like that. I appear quiet from outside, but inside there is a big gorgor is going on. Is there a sadhana? Why you are asking for a sadhana? Because that will always disturb me wherever I go in life. It is not the question of ashram or house. Wherever I'll go in my life, whatever years I live, I will always be disturbed because of my touchy nature. Is it not? But you are a Shreyas person now. You are sitting on a different train now. Oh, thank you so much. But how to get out of it? That is the way out. What shall I do to get out of it? That I'll tell you. Wash the dishes. And in your heart, for everybody, think he is better than me. Think I'm the servant of everybody. Don't see anybody's fault. Love all. Loving means what? Loving means accepting, forgiving, and serving. 3 things are called loving. Accepting, forgiving, and serving. AFS. Serving also. So when this is what you love, think, constantly keep on thinking, I'm smaller than everybody. And happy to be smaller. Worship God every day. Do puja every day. Offer flower every day. Say, Bhagwan, I'm very small. I'm the servant of everybody. I'm worst of all. Acha? Yes. This is Shreyas. But I'm also not tied to my puja. Of course, you are. You are tied to a medicine so that you can get out of all problems and then you leave that medicine also. You have to be tied to the medicine as long as your diseases are existing. You can't say, I cannot be tied to this medicine. No, you have to take this medicine till your disease exists. After that, you can leave that. So, taryoho shreya adadanasya sadhur bhavati. He becomes a noble person. You become quiet. You become emotionally beautiful. People will like to be with you. You will become a magnet. You will become a source of knowledge. You will become a source of joy. People will see you as God. People will say, I don't know whether I have seen God or not. But seeing this person, I don't think I have not seen God. Acha? That is called sadhu bhavati. Who? One who chooses this conviction and works for it. Acha, other person, Upanishad is, Yamraj is scolding. He is a sadhur bhavati hiyete arthad yau prayovnite. One who chooses the other one rest in a situation. Hiyate. Shankaracharya Bhagwan says, yastu adurdarshi. He is very, adurdarshi means short-sighted. Short-sighted, like these Australian players. Batao, such a big reputation Australia had last year. They were tampering the ball. Ball was being tampered. Yesterday also they said, I hope they were not tampering the ball. Now, once you get a bad name once, for whole life it is there now. If somebody lies to me once, problem is, anything he does, I feel hope he is not lying. He is very honestly saying something to me. But he has sown a doubt in my mind. Then I doubt, is he right? One only he was acting and pretending. But today also I hope he is not pretending. Hiyate arthat. So what is moodha? Yes, to adur, short-sighted. Vimudha. Oh, Shankaracharya is bent on scolding this person. Vimudha, foolish person is. Oh. Hiyate. Arthat. Where he falls from? Arthat. Arthat means paramarthat, paramarthikat, paramarthikat, prayojanat, nityat, anityat, prachyavate. Prayojanat, nityat, pravachat. He falls from moksha purusharth. That means what? He will never have that joy which he wants. He will have that fulfillment. He will be rolling here and there. Somebody will break heart yesterday. Today that person broke heart. Then again I brought some quick fix. Then I mended the heart. Then that situation I went to office. Office did not give me that money which I wanted. Acha? So I'm living with a very broken instrument inside. Lot of complaints, lot of demands. Nobody could understand me whole life. This is what I hear. Nobody understood me. I loved whom I loved, they left me. Anybody I loved, he left me. Now you are latest. You don't leave me. You won't believe I've heard all these things. Anybody you have to either cry or speak. Don't. I'm not able to hear what are you saying. Say one at a time. So hard I work in that office. And that person only asking me not to be in the office. How can I take this thing? Where is God now? Where is satsang now? Where is goodness now? Time has changed, Swami. It won't work now, whatever you talk. What for you went? Hello, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Okay. Take, wipe your tears. Oh, you carry towel? Yes, because of you. People like us. Come on, sit down. What you wanted from the office? Why you went? To earn salary, good salary. Bus. Only good salary. No, I thought I'll work honestly and no, don't cry. You will work honestly and you will get a good salary. Right? That was the only goal. Yes. Your goal was wrong, sir. Moment you make. Why? Because outer goals are not reachable. After a work, everybody's salary appears small. Don't work for salary. I'm not saying don't work at all for salary. I'm saying don't work only for salary. Then serve. Serve. What? That office, institution, company, country. Go out. Not to take, but to give something. But that person is like, no person is as bad as you think. Deal with the divinity of the person, not the exterior of the person. Go out to serve. Go out, change this train. From P train to S train. Only what is P and S? From Priyas train to Shreyas train. How? Can you tell? I'm telling you. You love God? Yes. Which God? Shivji. Okay. If you love, then He's not looking at you. You work for Him. You do puja every day, no? Never I miss. Okay. Make this also part of your puja. Puja is not done only with chandan and akshat and flower. While talking also puja is there. Don't belittle your goal. Jump. If you don't jump, you will fall. Because you will not get anything big in life. At the end of life, you will feel nothing great I have attained. Because you never aimed. How will you attain? When you have never aimed, arthat, please note all those Sanskrit students. Arthat means moksha purusharthat. From the ultimate goal. From what is the best. Bhashyakar writes, Parmarthikat prayojanat nityat pratyavate. He falls. False means what? He didn't get and he will pass away. Maximum people pass away like that. You didn't get best. Best, I became beast. What best I got? Nothing I got, Swamiji. You won't believe when I meet 70-year-old people, 80-year-old people, 90-year-old people. This is what I hear. 40 years I work in that company. 60 years I work that. Acha, what is your final result? Let us talk about it. What is your mind now? Kuch nahi, I'm so upset. My son has not come. See, I'm so unwell. My son has not come. Where is he? He is in Richards Bay. He could have come. But he has not come. I'm so sad. Touch their heart. And you know what is their aim when they become old? Let us be active only. Active and reactive. Let us keep on moving in the house, doing nothing, moving in the house. Setting this is kept here, they put it here. Again, they take it and put it here. I'm telling you, that simple thing was there, then he'll put it here. Then you wonder why he has put it. Then after second round, they'll after go here and there, then again put it here. Then again open the fridge, close the fridge. करें क्या, कुछ है तो है नहीं, क्या करें? Super active mind, in body you can't run now. Then what is the talk? Who is so bad? My daughter-in-law went away. She is not coming now. Their son-in-law is not that. This is their end result of 60 years of living in the world. And they have a pride. I do puja regularly. I don't remember. If you are so good, why are you so quiet then? Why anger is there in your mind? Anger is the biggest expression of foolishness of a person. You know this. RDC, the reaction, demand, complaint. A person is foolish or not, you find out from this only. How much reaction he has, how much demand he has, how much complaint he has. क्या कर रहे हो आप? What you have attained in 60 years, 70 years of your existence? Where have you gone? Can you meditate? Can you sit for 1 hour quietly? Can you sit straight also? Can you do jap? How many mala? 0.25. From from ISKCON I purchased a mala. It had 108 bead. I divided by 2. I cut it and made 24 bead and sewed it. Why? Because I can't do whole mala. Whole mala that you can't do. No. And then, but I did not know how to stop at 27. So earlier I had put a mark with the sketch pen. But constantly I had to see mark is coming. Whole attention was on the mark. Now I have cut it and I had stitched it. And then I do that. This is your achievement. 70 years you lived. You can't do half an hour mala of jap also. This is your achievement. You can't remain without anger also. Still you want to watch the television. And still you want to remember that film Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. Sharam aani chahiye. You should be ashamed. And few years you will be in crematorium, clear state. Think of that. And prepare for Terahi. अरे कुछ सोच के जाओ. You should have got quietness of the mind. Don't waste the time. This is called hiyate. He has switched, fallen down. Fallen not physically. He may have a lot of money. He may be writing will, constantly changing the will only. It's not that. Then what is there? No, I can meditate. I can do puja for 3 hours today. There's a time I couldn't sit for half an hour. Now 3-4 hours I can be quiet. I don't need anybody, Swamiji. Good. Meditate, yes. I just have Lord in my life. Every day I read Bhagavad Gita, 6 chapters. 6 chapters. 3 days I complete Gita. Again I start. Very good. You like? Yes, I don't like interaction. I just want to be with myself. You are happy? Very happy. Quiet? Much quieter. You want anybody? No. I just want God's grace should be there and Guru should be happy. That is my only aim. I am fulfilled. I want to realize that state. So this person, when he will die, he will get to a house, if either he will be liberated or he will get to a house which is already a saint's house. He will start early next birth. Last birth he start late. Next birth very fast, he will pick up very fast. Because he knows what I want. Is this Shreyas? He's not slipped. Slipped means I have made myself less qualified. My vasanas are not lessened. My anger is not lessened. My lust has not lessened. My expectation have not lessened. 3 years also I was angry person. Today also I'm the same angry person. 4 years also I was a passionate lusty. Today also is like. 5 years also I was like that. Today also. There is no movement upward. Shruti is giving a warning. To whom? Hey, don't fall in the trap. Then Yamadharmaraj says another mantra on Shreyas and Preyas only. Shreyascha Preyascha Manushyametah Tau Samparitya Vivinakti Dhiraha श्रेयो हि धीरो विप्रेयसो वृणीते प्रेयो मंदो योगक्षेमात् वृणीते. Once again, श्रेयश्च प्रेयश्च मनुष्यमेतः तौ संपरीत्य विविनक्ति धीरः श्रेयो हि धीरो भी प्रेयसो वृणीते प्रेयो मंदो योगक्षेमात् वृणीते. We'll see it tomorrow. All right.